Good morning.
Good morning, world. We're doing a charter, an unofficial charter today. We've got 12 people on this boat coming. It's gonna be fine. Tell the Daily Show people it's gonna be fine.
Everything has to be fine.
Okay, wish us luck from home. If you don't see us tomorrow, we either went to jail or we died. Everyone's here. There's less people than we thought. None of the ladies showed up, which is okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 instead of 12. It's gonna be fun.
Hey guys, come here. Let me introduce you to the boat.
Yeah. Not finished yet. Sorry. We are drinking Capri Suns like we are 9 years old. And so we're sailing. And we're gonna go make some hot dogs. Aw, you wanna be the new boat mascot?
What does that do that?
Aw, it's so cute. Under the bridge.
The one that you put up?
On a hope and a wish and a prayer. I think we make, yeah, let's make them when we get there.
Otherwise you're gonna pull it.
Look at that beautiful red head. And red beard here.
Efficiency maximized.
There we go. Charge, baby, charge.
I was thinking of sailing for another like 30 minutes if you stop. Okay. Alright.
So, I am pretty comfortable sailing now and planning my trips and running a boat. But what I'm not very good at is docking. Not good at docking. I mean, if there are no other boats, I'm sure that I would just be fine, but I just get so nervous. I don't want to mess somebody else's stuff up. I don't know. And there's no brakes, as you know. We try to go slow.
We don't want to end up like that guy.
We do not want to end up like that guy over there. Can you guys see him? Right there. So, yeah.
Nicely parked on the rocks there.
Yeah,
A few holes.
that's right. That's Aubrey's docking skills.
Extra grip on the rocks.
That's it's a hurricane hole. So yeah, if you guys have any tips for me, send me an email. Any YouTube videos that I didn't make about docking. It's perfect. Yeah, also I wanted to thank you guys. There have been so many more of you that have signed up to watch what we're doing daily. I think it's fun and I'm glad you guys think it's fun too. We're gonna keep them coming. We're just having fun making stuff. And we love that you're here. Do you love they're here?
Who?
Daily Show.
Oh. Don't tell anybody, but yes.
And now I just realized I need a fedora. Okay, fire up the engine. We're gonna drag Ted by his tow rope.
Oh. That's
We got a very delicious looking crocodile bait right there.
Fixed to everything.
Right?
Huh?
Right. So it was a good sail. We had fun, huh, Dale?
Oh yeah.
So I'm thinking tomorrow Dale and I should go out sailing this boat by ourselves. What we'll do is we'll blow up the dinghy. I'm not that good at docking, so we'll blow up the dinghy, we'll put the engine on, and if there's wind, like there was today when we were coming in, we're all on deck, so I didn't show you guys, we'll just have the guys come out and like nudge us in with the dinghy so we don't hit anybody else's boat. I know you guys probably think that's stupid, but I'm so nervous about it. And as you have known, all of you boaters out there that have yelled at your wives while you're docking, I see you. And it just seems like the most hectic thing ever. So we're gonna go to Mulligan's right now, grab a drink with Philly, and oh, what are they calling him? Mothy? His name's Tim, but they call him Mothy because they're weird. So we're gonna go have a drink, cool off, and then maybe go to the beach.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Full, you know.
By the horns, or the lines, either way.
Okay. That's how it's gonna be.
7 is
What do you want me to
cleaning
keep
up.
on first? I want you to keep on the bow.
We're just a proud country.
Yeah, well,
It wasn't going for 12
he
million.
showed me all this stuff that I would never be able to.
We made a new Dutch friend, and you know what they say about the Dutch?
Here,
They don't like cheese or beer.
put it up for you.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, no, we hate cheese and we hate beer and wine and vodka.
All the good stuff in life they just don't like.
Turtles. Everybody loves turtles. Am I right? See, there's even like little turtles right there. See that turtle sign?
So you're gonna touch a turtle?
No.
You're gonna dig up its eggs?
No.
Definitely not.
But here's the
Because we're gonna
net.
buy 50,000 boats with that money, yeah?
Yes, we could buy 50,000 boats. So, here is the turtle nest. The turtle nest. So you can see there's little turtle footprints. A turtle nest. And you want to know who taught me that? It was turtle.
Sweet baby Jesus. I don't know where you shine. Talking to someone over there.
No, it's just he's really tall. Bye-bye, people.